Hello, good day. This is Angelo Santos, one of the support here in Groove. For today's tutorial, I will show you how you can connect your button to your pop-up, and that pop-up has a embed form. Um, Probably just a tutorial on how to connect your button to your pop-up. All right. So I I will create a pop-up here. So as you can see, I did not have any pop-ups available yet. So I will just click on this create new pop-up or to this plus icon. So I will create now a pop-up. So you can select from pre-made templates here, or you can just start from scratch. What I suggest when you create a pop-up, put a empty container first before doing anything else. Alright. So since we will just put a embed code here, so after we put the empty container here, let's just add the element here for the code embed, just like this one. Alright, now that we have the embed code, let's just get the code here from, I will just get it here. Then I will put it on this cogwheel button here. I will just paste it and click save. And you can see now that there will be a embed form here, and I can just go to the container level. I can just definitely have put a spacing if I want to have a spacing on my element here, as you can see, like just like that. Alright, so you decide on what you prefer, and I will also put the background color for the container as white, so you can have just nice and look like that. And I will just save and exit. Okay, so it's still saving. Let's just wait for until we have this confirmation here and it's close the pop-up window. So if we click on this pop-up, we have a new pop-up that is named pop-up 1. We can rename this by clicking the three dots and rename. And you can also edit this if you also click on the actual pop-up. So um, you can also edit the name here, but I will leave it as it is and I will just cancel it. Now will connect the button to the pop-up. I will click this pencil icon, go to the configure section, and I will put this link to a pop-up, and we will select the pop-up we have and just hit update. Alright, and now I will publish this site, and I will just definitely click publish. Now let's just wait for the green confirmation here to pop up so that we can click on this link here. So any moment soon we will just probably get this green confirmation here, so let's just wait for that. Alright, so now you see this green confirmation here, so we can just click on this actual link. So before anything else, let's just reload this page to refresh the configurations you have set to this page. So if I click on this button now, you will see now the embed form or the pop-up has a pop-up, and you can definitely put your information on the pop-up. So that's how you can connect your button to a pop-up that is embed code, and I hope that helps.